CBD or cannabidiol infused foods is among the fastest growing cannabis market, and Cannible is now joining the fray with their incredible line of products. Their goal is to create food and beverages that are enhanced by cannabis through their unique formulas that they've been developing over the past year, and Cannible's VP of Business Development, Ziv Turner, is here now to tell us all about it. Ziv, it is a pleasure to have you here in the studio with us today.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
All right, so first of all, let's just go ahead and start. Why are you choosing edibles to focus on, and what kind of products are you creating? Take it away.
Well, good question, as usual. I have a good answer for a good question. Why are we doing edibles in this market? We are addressing the recreational markets. And if we look at the numbers coming out of the markets, where actually some states are starting to flood the market with some research and data about what they do, you can see that this is the most emerging segment of non-smoking products with cannabis. Okay. And if we're just talking about the edibles, so in parallel period for this year, last year, I'm talking about January to October 2017, 4 major states, we're talking about California, Oregon, Colorado, and Washington. They made turnover over $550 million only on edibles.
Wow.
Only January to October 2017. And if we're looking at all the other markets and the ingredients that we have in the markets, then you ask yourself, well, why not? People want to use cannabis. We want to make it accessible to most of the people who are not smoking.
So, okay, so now you're mentioning the non-smoking market as really your target, because obviously the smoking market, they're probably going to dip into a little bit of everything.
Exactly.
But the non-smoking market, you're targeting them, but this is for recreational use, is not really for medicinal purposes, or will it kind of be a crossover for both?
Well, we need to understand the differences between the requirements for a medicinal product rather than a recreational product. Cannabis is cannabis is cannabis. Basically, whatever you smoke for recreational, you give to patients is exactly the same breed, the same plant.
More or less, sure. I mean, the ratio of CBD, THC, et cetera, might be different, but that's about it.
Exactly, but you have to match some kind of a dosage to a patient and monitor the patient.
And it needs to be consistent.
Exactly, and we need to talk about manufacturing protocols and QA for patients and maintain, some kind of a purity to the product itself. So the patient would know that if they are buying tinctures or oils or cookies or whatever,
they're getting what they're
getting exactly the same as they did before. They need something that is working for them. Other than recreational, people smoke whatever they want to smoke. They use it to get high, whatever they want to get high. So if we are looking at those two, yes, edibles are perfect for patients. Patients don't necessarily have to smoke, or to vape or to do something. Why not get an iced coffee, something like a cookie, a brownie, with infuse? I mean, like, the dosage is important for the patient, and we look at the food products only as the delivery system.
All right, so where are your products going to be? Unfortunately, that is my next question. But where are they going to be sold? Where can we
First
find
of all,
them?
we're going to sell them where regulations allow it. It's a very difficult market to do. So we're planning to open our production line in the United States.
Okay.
We are starting with first products to the market based only on CBD, which has no regulations and no limitations by manufacturing.
It's non-psychoactive as well.
Exactly, it's not psychoactive, so we can actually ship it between states.
And in Canada as well?
Absolutely in Canada.
Absolutely in Canada as well, especially they just legalized, of course.
Absolutely.
All right, well, Ziv, I can't wait to hear about your successes in the future. Good luck in the United States and Canada and wherever else that you're going to. Cannible.
Thank you very much for the time.
It's my pleasure.